The latest model in the Ferrari family is called Portofino M. M stands for modificata, modified. There are some brand new components and technologies on the car. Already our founder, Enzo Ferrari, said the soul of the car is the engine. This engine is derived by the V8 family we're using, also on the 488 Pista, 620 horsepower and tremendous torque. This means for us power of a turbo engine, but emotion like a natural aspirated engine. The second very important and very innovative component we have on this car is the double clutch transmission gearbox with 8 speeds. This gearbox is special because it's very compact. It's very small, 20% smaller than the gearbox we have on the Portofino. This gearbox allows you to use all the torque you need, 35% more torque we can transmit with this gearbox. And it allows us to lower the weight and also lower the center of gravity, which is a very important point for us always in Ferrari, to integrate very well our components and to optimize the whole vehicle to have a very, very high vehicle dynamics for our customers. In our times, software is always getting more important. We understood this already years ago, and we are doing the software for our gearbox in-house. We are doing it with our engineers because only our engineers can create and use all the potentials of the gearbox to have this high emotional behavior and shifting on the gearbox. One thing that is unique to Ferrari is the manettino. The manettino on the Portofino M has 5 positions, and you can select them depending on their circumstances and the objective you have. My personal favorite is race. In race, I have still control on the car, there are still control systems, but I can go very, very much to the limit, and the car is helping me with the control systems to go next to the limits. It's very important for us to let you enjoy all the potentials of the car. And therefore we invented a control system which we call side slip control. This allows you to go to the limit and to go in the curves with high speeds, but you have always the best control. You feel exactly where you are. Can you push more or less? Can you steer more or less? It's very intuitive and helps you to go to the limit and be faster. So we talked a lot about technologies, software, and how we did the engineering work on this car. But I think it's important that you will test the car to feel how to drive a Ferrari and how much fun to drive with it. And I hope to see you soon here in Maranello.